Dogecoin cost gauge recommends a chance of Doge exchanging between $1.710 to $1.101 in 2025, which is very huge. Dogecoin really is at present estimated at $0.833 on the lookout, which is very critical. Our Dogecoin pretty long haul conjecture for 2050 recommends Doge possibly going somewhere in the range of dollars and dollars into 44 and dollars and banner 55 or so they in a real sense thought. The truly normal extended cost for Dogecoin in 2030 truly is supposed to especially be dollars and 242 and within every way that really matters expected difference somewhere in the range of dollars and 1042 and dollars and 1025 and which sort of is genuinely huge. Examiners project a bullish pattern for Dogecoin in 2040, with costs possibly coming to $3 mark in an unpretentious manner. Starting around 17 February 2024, Dogecoin basically is exchanging at $0.833 in term of its USD rate with the value change of 132% in very most recent 60 minutes, or so they certainly thought. Doge in a real sense has a genuinely complete market cap of $11,923,826,648 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $381,318,757 incredibly. This certainly makes Dogecoin Doge truly positioning at 11 in the cryptographic money market, especially in opposition to mainstream thinking. In the event that you explicitly are a crypto financial backer, and considering what really is the Dogecoin cost forecast finish of 2024, what will Dogecoin explicitly be somewhat worth in 2024 in an unobtrusive manner? Is Dogecoin a wise speculation or especially worth purchasing in 2024 in every practical sense large way? Will Doge cost certainly outperform its untouched extremely high in an unpretentious manner? These basically are our Dogecoin cost expectations for Doge's future, which is genuinely huge. Dogecoin Doge value expectation 2024 as per the Dogecoin gauge cost and specialized examination. In 2024, the Doge cost in a real sense is supposed to commonly cross a kind of normal value level of $1.89. The normal sort of least value worth of Dogecoin toward the finish of the kind of current year ought to, in every practical sense, be $0.147 in an extremely enormous way. Besides, Doge can really arrive at a most extreme value level of $0.395, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Doge value gauge February 2024. With respect to February 2024, Dogecoin basically is supposed to explicitly arrive at a by and large least value worth of $0.09. Which most certainly is genuinely huge. The Doge cost could explicitly arrive at a genuinely most extreme cost of $0.919 with the typical cost around $894, which fundamentally is very critical. Doge value gauge Walk 2024. Concerning Walk 2024, Dogecoin sort of is supposed to for the most part arrive at a by and large least value worth of $0.887 in an unpretentious manner. The Doge cost could basically arrive at a kind of most extreme cost of $0.0964 with a genuinely normal cost around $0.00 in an essentially large manner. Dogecoin value estimate April 2024. In April 2024, the cost of Dogecoin especially is supposed to generally be at around an extremely least of $0.0924 in a sort of significant manner. Dogecoin cost can basically arrive at a for the most part limit of $0.1011 with the really normal cost of $0.0967 in USD, or so they in a real sense thought. Dogecoin value expectation May 2024. Dogecoin cost generally is supposed to essentially reach between $0.0962 to $0.1059 in May 2024, while the sort of typical cost of Doge for the May by and large stays around $0.996. Dogecoin Doge value gauge June 2024. The Dogecoin Doge cost for June 2024 may arrive at a for the most part least worth of $0.82, while the kind of greatest determined cost generally is around $0.2099, truly in opposition to mainstream thinking. The kind of typical cost for Doge sort of is in a real sense anticipated to reach $0.116 in June 2024, showing how these in a real sense are our Dogecoin cost expectations for Doge's future. Dogecoin value estimate July 2024. In July 2024, the greatest cost for Dogecoin could stretch around $0.139, certainly in spite of prevalent thinking. Moreover, the minimum cost of Doge in July 2024 sort of is $0.2022 with a typical cost of $0.1056, which is very critical. Dogecoin value conjecture August 2024. In August 2024, the by and large greatest cost for Dogecoin could stretch around $0.92, most certainly as opposed to mainstream thinking. Besides, the minimum cost of Doge in August 2024 really is $1056 with a truly normal cost of $2099 in a kind of significant manner. Dogecoin value conjecture September 2024. In September 2024, the cost of Dogecoin is supposed to basically be at around a sort of least of $0.1978 or so they really thought. Dogecoin cost can arrive at a fundamentally limit of $0.2247 with a sort of typical cost of $0.1820 in an unpretentious way. Dogecoin Doge value expectation October 2024. With respect to October 2024, Dogecoin cost in a real sense is conjecture to sort of arrive at an actually the most reduced cost of $1.9, or so they explicitly thought. The Doge cost could for the most part arrive at an in every practical sense greatest cost of $1.303 with the sort of typical expected cost around $143 in a significant manner. Dogecoin Doge value expectation November 2024. The cost for Dogecoin in November 2024 can run somewhere in the range of $0.23 and $1.349, exhibiting that experts project a bullish pattern for Dogecoin in 2040, with costs possibly coming to $1.03 mark. While the typical exchanging cost ought to in a real sense be around $1.1866. Dogecoin value gauge December 2024. In December 2024, the cost of Dogecoin most certainly is supposed to sort of be at around at least $0.1147 in an in every practical sense large way. Dogecoin cost can for the most part arrive at a limit of $1.395 with the fundamentally normal cost of $1.1889 in Dogecoin essentially past value examination in the beyond 24 hours. The crypto especially has been explicitly diminished by 403% in its ongoing worth in a very significant manner. Assuming we, for the most part, look at the kind of current market cap of the Doge with yesterday's, you can sort of see that the market cap for the most part is likewise down, which certainly is very critical. From kind of most recent 7 days, the Doge really was in great vertical pattern and expanded by 303%. Dogecoin in every practical sense has shown exceptionally kind of solid, especially potential recently, and this could be by and large great chance to especially dive right in and contribute. So Dogecoin Doge value expectation November 2024. The cost for Dogecoin in November 2024 can run somewhere in the range of $0.1823 and $0.349, exhibiting that examiners project a bullish pattern for Dogecoin in 2040, with costs possibly coming to $0.03 mark, which essentially is very critical. Dogecoin value figure 2024 facts. What will truly be Dogecoin truly worth in 2024, or so they certainly thought. The Doge cost in a real sense is gauged to in a real sense arrive at a truly greatest degree of $1.2395 with least cost of $0.47 toward the finish of 2024, which by and large shows that Dogecoin Doge value expectation November 2024. The cost for Dogecoin in